up? It's your boy, the
Wow. Holy shit.
It doesn't do any justice, huh?
Yeah. Wow. When I saw it on Instagram, like you can't really tell like the definition of
You
like
can't.
the satin,
Yeah.
know? Especially when it's cloudy out. Wow. That's so cool. That turned out way better. Like the color. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Holy shit.
Had no
I've been
issues.
wanting to do it for so long.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is actually incredible.
Yeah, my biggest thing is I always tell people, check out the corners.
Yeah, like the handles and everything.
All the good stuff,
Wow. Oh man.
Yeah, the back is all one piece.
Oh shit, it's so nice.
Yeah, you can even
Yeah, once I get like the spoiler, I was gonna like the mirror cap to the spoiler. I need to like sand down.
Yeah.
Be sprayed because they're getting the clear coat's peeling off.
Yeah, like even when you pop the trunk, it's all that's
Oh,
just all
wow.
one piece. Yeah.